Hey guys, today we're gonna be making some white chicken chili. So the first thing I did was I boiled my chicken and shredded it. You can just throw this in the crock pot with the chicken broth if you want to do it that way and then take it out and shred it later if you have the time. This can be cooked in a crock pot for 8 hours, but because I'm in a little bit of a rush today, I shredded it ahead of time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in my mixer and I'm just gonna shred it. This is the easiest way, I think, to shred. You can do it with a fork or you can do it with a hand mixer, but I just like to throw it in here and then kind of let it sit. It's gonna shred itself. I don't have to touch it or worry about it. Then what I do is I simmered my peppers and my celery together with some garlic, some chili powder, and some onion powder, and a little bit of butter and olive oil so they're nice and tender. So now my chicken's all shredded. That was super quick and easy. I'm just gonna take this up, and then I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna throw it in my crock pot with my broth. And then I'm gonna take my veggies and I'm gonna throw them in there too. If you wanted to add beans, this would be the point where you do that. And you can really add anything to chili. That's kind of what I love about it. What makes it so fall is like I have a bag of frozen corn in the freezer that I'm gonna grab and throw in here. And then you can also do like beans, you could do cheese. So now we're gonna let this simmer for a little bit, then we're gonna add some cream cheese and come back to it. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our half and half, which is about 1/4 cup here. And then we're gonna add our package of cream cheese. So I cut it into cubes just because it's easier to stir that way, but you literally, if you're using a crock pot, can just dump it right in there. So I'm just gonna use this and kind of spread it around. And we're gonna let it simmer for another hour or so.